welcome back to my channel. As the title says, I want you guys to take a look at this video. Pretty much it sums up my last video in which I stated that if you want to do anything for Jamaica as it relates to Hurricane Melissa, I recommend that you do organize community-based efforts with organizations such as churches and organizations that already have things going and have already organized strategically. Because I don't want to say it, but Jamaican people, some of them, they can be very, very ungrateful, and the Prime Minister is getting a lot of backlash for the money that he it's not his money, but the money is going to a website, and he's not the one distributing the money. It's going to probably be the Minister of Finance, and he's getting a lot of backlash about the money, and also he's getting a lot of backlash just in general. In addition to that, in this video, you're going to see where some of your favorite people on TikTok or whatever they're doing, it's not enough, because leave it to Jamaicans. They're going to complain about what you do for them. I don't know why we are so ungrateful in any aspect of anything. If you do anything for a Jamaican, don't expect for them to be grateful for long, because they are some are very ungrateful. And no matter what you do, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. So if you do decide to do something, protect yourself and do it in a organized and an official fashion, because you will be targeted and be backlash. So guys, take a listen to this video and let me know your thoughts.
Boy, my boy, him not start feel pressure yet, you know. I better me make when name the win. PMP, cause if you be government in a them time a chat, Jesus Christ, chat. You think him start feel pressure? Chat the people him start add up every money we down here to Jamaica already, you know. The people him start say, Cayman send 200,000 US, England send 8 million pound, Florida send 1 million US. And chat, you know, me not like the people them in the comments. We not like the people them. And that's why I try to show you, so chat, no matter how hard they try to help, it never good. Me say chat, me see people them, and Ramesh them a donate food to the people them, chat. Here the people them a shelter we want. Me say, oh God. Chat, only if you take one you can get at this moment. The people them a say a shelter them want, chat. I mean, I said, Jesus Christ. No to Bumbo. The people them say a shelter we want. Where we are doing so much food. I mean, I said, look there. In the comments, the people them say that. I mean, I said, chat, when you can't preach, so never go on. You rather house bill and suffer. You have to make sure you can full on the belly and go and stay. Yeah. Brianna, I understand say people don't have no for sleep, Brianna, but house I go build in one day. No matter how much money down here to Jamaica right now, the house them can't build in one day or 2 days. First of all,